Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today is going to be a great day. I got some things planned for Mad Max. The Integra Type R sitting pretty in the garage as always. The Hellcat right here. Great things planned today for Mad Max. However, first we have to get these chrome rails off the tail bed. As everybody said, to delete them, it'll look much better. I think so myself. So we're going to remove them right now. My brother is back again. It's time to get the rails off the truck, and we got a lot of fun things planned for today. Another mod for Mad Max.
Back once again.
Mad Max or Filthy Max, and he's back once again. We're going to do some stuff.
Sexy Max.
So we're taking these off, basically loosening the Allen key or hex bolt, whatever you want to call it. They're basically expandable. Once you loosen them all the way, they'll come out. You tighten them. Once you put them back in, they expand inside the hole, and they're tight. Removing this is pretty easy. They look okay, I think. I just would rather them be off the truck. I think it'll look cleaner. Having fun?
This is so much fun. Look at that, I'm turning it. It's turning right now.
So pop that side off. Is that enough to get it out?
One more, I'm gonna do one more.
Yeah, maybe one more over here. Actually, never mind, I got this one. This side needs one more turn, and the rail will come off.
Hold that side if you want.
There we go.
So there we go, that's why that turns.
Yep. So the rail is off. So they look nice, but they don't have the flow that I'm looking for in the back of the truck. You can see this is where they bolt in. It basically brings this block inside and expands the rubber. Very nice bed rail design. So you can just basically remove the bolt or put the bolt back to. Very nice design, one bolt design, no nut on the bottom. You don't need two wrenches. Very easy to slip in, tighten, or you loosen and then remove like we did. So it's a really nice setup, quick and easy. Nice rails, but I don't like the chrome. You can see what it looks like without it. Leave your comments below. What do you guys think, with or without the rails? I could put them back if you like it better. One side without the rail and one side with. Comment below, guys. What do you think? Delete it or put them back? There's a lot of room back here for sure. This rail is pretty much completely out. So there we go. As you can see, there's rust on this one. We don't want water to be getting inside the truck. It's definitely not a good thing. So it just had a little bit of a weight savings too. This is about 4 to 5 pounds per rail. 10 more pounds deleted off the truck. What do you guys think? Is it cleaner? I think it's a lot cleaner. I like the look of it. I really truly do. I think it looks great. Once I get done fixing the tonneau cover here with the clips on the inside, my brother and I are going to head to another store and get an adapter harness. We're going to make sure that works. And if it does, then we'll be able to get the Panasonic Touch in Mad Max. It'll be so much better than the factory radio that's in there right now. So everything I got finished on this side, you guys should check it out. It looks really nice. You can see how it's no longer gapped like it was really bad. Everything is perfectly straight all the way down until we go all the way over here. Everything is perfectly straight. Whoever put this on didn't put it on correctly, that's for sure. I'll tell you, whoever installed this cover originally must have had a blindfold on because it was not installed correctly. But now I'm on to the next side to make sure it's perfect so that both sides are equal. I also have it strapped up in the front. It's a really nice tonneau cover. It has straps up here so I can latch it. You can't quite see it, but I can latch it right up here. So this way it doesn't hit the cab window. So here we are on day number 2 of the vlog. We've got the tail bed fixed. The rails have been deleted. Now you can see it better in the daytime. I had to reline up the tonneau cover, make sure everything was corrected. And this one actually latches on the back so it doesn't move, so I can have the bed open if I need to haul anything, which is the whole point of having a truck, you would say. I had to grease the tailgate because the previous owner didn't do that. Just a little bit of WD-40 or lithium grease in here. I usually use WD-40 first and then lithium grease and the hinges. This way everything closes smoothly, which it wasn't before, and now it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the tailgate, nice and gentle, and it's latched with very little effort. Everything lines up perfectly flush. All the rubber seals are now perfect. So we're now headed to pick up this piece I need, or this harness, so we can set up the Panasonic 7-inch Touch in Mad Max. Let's hit the road. There's a storm coming in, look. It's definitely coming. It's gonna be a severe thunderstorm, so we gotta beat the storm, get there and get back, and then get the stereo installed. Get in the truck. More Mad Max content coming. We gotta hurry up. Get in the truck. I know a lot of people are gonna give me some heat for this, for using this brand, but the GM3000 is for the 2011 and up Denali 2500 HDs. As you can see, right here, 7 to 13. Yes, it's not the most expensive brand. It's gonna do the job that it's intended to do, which is keep the chimes and the steering wheel controls working. If it doesn't work, we take it back. If it does, we're good. Yeah. I am headed down to Car Toys in order to finish this stereo installation, as I need a specific kit for the Sierra, otherwise it won't work. So let's get down there, get this adapter so I can install it and have everything working the way it should. So here I am at Car Toys in Egg Harbor Township. So I still have the panel removed, as I gotta get this stereo finalized. So Car Toys did not have the radio adapter that I need. So I'm headed over to see Reza at Autobahn, as he has the stuff I need to install the stereo. Fantastic shop for off-road vehicles, as well as car stereo installations, wheels and tires, all kinds of good stuff. So if you have a GM vehicle, PAC is definitely the way to go. It's far superior to Access. They just have much better equipment for GM vehicles. This is a straight adapter, just plugs right in. All I'm gonna have to do is wire the speakers like I did last time, and everything should be retained. Steering wheel, chimes, absolutely everything. So PAC is definitely the best for GM vehicles, even better than Metro Access. That's what I've been hearing. RP5 GM31 is the one you'd need for all 2012 and 13 GMCs or Silverados. Everything's connected to the harness. Here we go. Let's see if this works. So I'm here at Autobahn, where they sold me the wrong unit yesterday, which was in the video. They sold me the GM51, which is for 2015 and up Sierra and Silverados. I came here for a refund, as I bought the proper one last night, as I needed to finish my installation. They gave me a hard time, saying that the return policy is only store credit, which I'm not going to be using over the next month, and it's a $300 charge for this device here at this store. And if you look on Google, anywhere, Best Buy, Amazon, the PAC GM51 device is about $130. They charged me $279, giving me all kinds of a fuss inside the store, and then said they don't care if I ever come back, even though I'm a repeat customer. And if you guys want the evidence of that, I recorded the whole conversation on my phone in case they try to say the video is bogus. They definitely tried to screw me over, so I highly recommend staying away from Autobahn here in the Egg Harbor area on Tilton Road or Black Horse Pike. It's right here by the Pet Boys. If you guys want to get any stereo installations or car audio, go see Car Toys. They're right down the road. They gave me that free antenna piece for coming down here and losing an hour of driving time. So they're willing to hook me up by losing some time on the drive by not having the part in stock. They gave me a free $20 antenna adapter, and they want me to come back and spend more money there, and they treated me properly. Do not use Autobahn here in Egg Harbor. They're right behind me here. You guys can see the sign. So if you guys ever wanted proof, I do have it on my phone. If they try to come in here and say the video is bogus, I recorded the whole conversation. They're very rude to me. I got the receipt showing $279. If you look online, it's only $133. Right there on the screen is a screenshot of my receipt, as well as where you can find it online. It's a double overcharge, and they tried to hit me with the bullshit that it's store credit only. So just stay away from this store if you guys live in the area in Egg Harbor, New Jersey, or Ventnor City, Atlantic City area. They're definitely not a good place. I learned the hard way today. So you can see everything's now installed perfectly. Everything works 100%. And I even have the microphone over here for the Bluetooth hidden nicely where it can't be seen. completely out of the way. So today's been a crazy day. I can't believe Autobahn triple charged me for the same part that I was able to get at Best Buy. I just can't believe they did that. Then they didn't want to refund my money, so just definitely stay away from them. But other than that, I have nothing but good things to say about Car Toys, and they're like right down the street from Autobahn. So if you guys are anywhere in South or Central Jersey, Car Toys is the place to go for car audio, wheels, and tires. Definitely check them out. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Frustrating 3-day video for me to get the stereo installed correctly. So I've been speaking with Mike over at Street Speed, and I have some really good ideas and some awesome things coming from Mad Max relating to the suspension, the lift, the wheels, and tires. Really good stuff, so stay tuned for all of that. My key tags have shown up. Check this out. So you can see I finally got my shipment of the Driveway Demons key tags. This is the first one that I've had done. Mopar No Car, flip it around, Driveway Demons. Definitely go to the store and get your key tags now, drivewaydemons.com. Also, you can get your t-shirts at drivewaydemons.com. You can see I'm wearing mine. They come in small, medium, large, extra large, and double XL. So be sure to check out drivewaydemons.com. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below, what do you guys think of today's video? The last 3 days that I've been filming it. For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching and commenting. And until the next video, take care and have a great day.